Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Wednesday. So we are going to be making a cute little chick, which is totally just out of buttercream, and we're going to be making some Carrot Patch cupcakes, which are my favorite, which are chocolate dipped strawberries, and they look like they are buried in their little carrot patch. Is that the right terminology? I don't know. Anyways, let's get started and I'll show you how to make them. So first, to make the baby chick cupcakes, just place some yellow buttercream into a piping bag fitted with a large round piping tip. Then pipe a large ring onto the top of the cupcakes to create the chick's body. And don't feel pressured to kind of like cover the entire surface of the cupcake. When I was practicing and I did that, the chick looked a little deflated. So just pipe it in like the center like I did, and it'll just look like you have a little chick just like sitting on the cupcake. It's so cute. Then pipe a large dollop into the center of the ring to create the chick's head. Then place the orange buttercream in a piping bag fitted with a small round piping tip. Pipe the feet and beak onto the chicks. Then use some black decorating gel to create the eyes, and you are done! Then to make the Carrot Patch cupcakes, dip some strawberries into some melted orange candy melts and pop them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then place them in the fridge for the candy melts to set while you decorate the cupcakes. Place some chocolate buttercream into a piping bag fitted with a large round piping tip. Then pipe a large ring of buttercream onto the top of the cupcakes, and then dump that into some Oreo cookie crumbs, fully coating the buttercream. And this is going to make it look like soil. Then just stick the strawberries into the center to look like carrots, and you are done! So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe and that you were inspired to make some Easter themed cupcakes. Tag me on Instagram or Twitter at pankobunny if you try these out, or if you make any other cupcakes for Easter. I would love to see them. And please hit the subscribe button and ring that little notification bell next to the subscribe button if you haven't yet, so that you're notified when my next videos go out. I'm out of breath. I need to exercise. Anyways, I upload every single day from Monday to Friday. So tomorrow I am making a mini egg cake, which I haven't made yet, but this is actually February. I'm pre-filming, so it will turn out well. I hope it will anyways. I'm sure it did. Anyways, yeah, so stay tuned for that. I'm so excited. I actually ate an entire bag of the mini eggs that I was supposed to use for the cake, so fun fact, but I feel like I'm no different than anybody else who has bought mini eggs for a recipe and then ended up eating them all themselves. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow where we make the mini egg cake. Bye!